This is Paul. Yeah. Yeah, I've got some potatoes baking. Oh, is that right? Yeah. I put 5 potatoes in there. Yeah. And they're going to be done in about 20 minutes. Yeah. So this is what I did. Yeah. I just sent 1,600 emails. And probably 12 to 1,300 of them actually got to email addresses. Yeah. And I put my 6 videos that I made earlier that I had titled Allegiance that explained why court forms have to be filled out according to the instructions. But I didn't get any emails. And I was thinking, am I going to go out after I eat? Well, I'm going to have potatoes and probably fry some eggs. I was thinking about having fried eggs on top of potatoes. And I'm not thinking I'm gonna make any more videos tonight. The problem I'm having, yeah, is I'm not getting any response to the emails that I've been sending. Now I've documented that when you don't fill out court forms according to how they are supposed to be filled out so as to protect the constitutional rights of those that are petitioners and respondents, law enforcement will have to enforce the law. Now, I've told them that I want the contact information from my sons. I want to know where Marilyn Van Proyen is. And instead of enforcing the laws of the United States, it seems that America's oaths, those that are elected and appointed to office, those that are judges and justices and commissioners, and those that are supposedly supposed to enforce the laws of the United States sheriffs and police chiefs and police officers, they've actually decided that they weren't going to do what the law requires. Now, when you issued a protection order in 2011 where there was not timely and proper notice for the respondent because I lived on Guam then, and then you violated my constitutional rights for about 16 different times over the last 6 years. And then when I send hundreds of thousands of emails to those that are in law enforcement and they refused to enforce the laws of the United States, I'm thinking the only thing I can do is continue to email more sheriffs, more police chiefs, more of those that I can find on the internet to email addresses for. Now, when you issue a protection order where the respondent, myself as the father of 5 sons, was not given notice or opportunity to be heard, and then you think that I'm going to motion a court where they violated my constitutional rights for the last 6 years. It's probably such that somebody that is a police officer, a sheriff, someone in child protective services, in the FBI, somebody that might be a U.S. Marshal, those that are in the Army, in the Criminal Investigative Division, the CID. Now, I had emailed the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marines, the Coast Guard, the National Guard, the Washington State Guard. I have emailed the law. And as an American citizen, what can I do? I can just go find more email addresses. I can include more persons in more parts of the nation that have the legal obligation for the enforcement of the law. Now, I haven't got any emails from my sons, and I haven't got any emails from Marilyn Van Proyen. and I want my sons. Do you understand?